Yes, it works. All right, so I want to show you today basically my email autoresponder AI assistant. What's happening here? Here's the automation that I built, and what happens is every time I get an email, it will scan it in the background like every hour, and it will prepare for me an answer. It doesn't send it. I can decide to just keep it. I just like check it next day when I wake up, and then I can decide to send it. And it was good. I'm very happy with it. Not only that, it also prioritizes them. So it tells me, for example, I have like the workflows telling me, do they need an answer? Is this stuff that I can just ignore? So it prioritizes them. It's telling me if I should take action or not. And as you can see, I just woke up and I have all the answers ready for my email. What happens here is this automation in the back end where it looks at the emails, there's AI involved, with the prompt there, what to do, is being added to a specific spreadsheet, and then it's being written the response to it. It's got the response and it's just preparing the draft. It works great. I love it. I'm very happy with it. Have a great day. Ciao.